Thank you for being part of Multiple Sclerosis News Today official coverage of CMSC 16 and agreeing to this filmed interview. The MESCOM's clinical trial is assessing the efficacy of mesenchymal stem cells to modulate pathogenic immune responses and provide neuroprotection in both progressive and relapsing forms of MS. In your opinion, what are the main advantages in treating MS patients with this type of therapy?
The trial actually has many facets, and what we're really trying to do is prove the in vivo biological capability of the cells by exploiting the one property that seems to be easily repeatable both in animal models and in humans, that is the anti-inflammatory. That's what we can demonstrate readily and quickly using MRI as an outcome. What we're really hoping for is some signal of repair, as we saw in that small study that I showed from England in the optic nerve. So if we can generate repair, and then we would be able to go into a phase 3 study looking at patients who've acquired disabilities of various sorts and see how many patients are actually repairable using their own cells as a means to do so. The nice thing about the trial is that even the patients who have relapsing disease, who have active inflammation, they don't need any disease-modifying medication because the cells themselves will be capable of turning down the inflammation. And that's what we should be able to demonstrate. So the real hope of the study is a repair signal. You use the words neuroprotection. I don't know what that means. You would have to define that for me. What we're hoping for is truly active repair. You can see repair in patients who've just had very potent anti-inflammatory therapy. That means it's ongoing all the time, and this has been seen pathologically in patients who've been examined because they've died for other reasons. You can see in any lesion evidence of demyelination, remyelination, so there's always attempt at repair, it just never really goes to completion. So a lot of patients end up just the damage outweighs the repair and they just get worse over time. So you could say neuroprotection, well, any drug that reduces inflammation will facilitate repair. I'm talking about actively stimulating repair as we saw it in some of those animal models.
Which specific patient population might best benefit from it?
Repair? Really, repair, anybody would benefit from it if they have damage. That would be the hope. And then we have patients who've, like that group in the UK that we're looking at, had really well-established secondary progressive MS. We don't have anything for that current subgroup of patients, right? None. That would be a probably first target.
What, in your opinion, is the future potential of stem cell therapies?
I think the sky's the limit. You've heard today that we are able to make any cell we want. The next major hurdle is to be able to show that those cells, once put in, and we don't even know how to put them in, but if we put them in, are they going to renew functionality and maybe counteract whatever the disease process is that we're talking about, be it a genetic disorder, be it an acquired inflammatory disease like MS. I mean, really, everything's possible. And this technology that Dr. Goodman talked about, the iPSC, taking any cell of the body, differentiating it, and then forcing it along the line of a differentiated pathway to a particular organ. This is technology that's available today.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay.